Hi, this is Michael Frost and SPCE 630-813 with Professor Carrasquillo. Shuffle my cards. Okay. Here's my timer, and it's going. Time sampling procedure, record occurrence if the target behavior occurs for the entire duration of the interval, whole interval time sampling. Variable that impacts a dependent variable but is not the phenomenon of interest, compounding variable. Variable that is manipulated by the experimenter to determine if the changes in independent variable will occur. Independent variable. Phenomenon of interest, behavior to be changed, dependent variable. Time between onset of environmental event and target response, inter-response rate. Variation of momentary time sampling to record the behavior of a group, count the number of people engaging in a PLA check. Record behavior if it occurs at the moment the interval ends, momentary time sampling. Two-dimensional graph with a logarithmic scale, y-axis, semi-logarithmic graph. Let me check to make sure all of these were correct. Confounding variable, variable, latency. So I got latency wrong. Didn't realize that, but the rest were correct. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct, 1 incorrect. Let me check this and then I'll finish the rest. Seven, top one. Seven. There is my data for today. I'll finish the rest of the cards now. Time elapsed from the end of the previous response in the beginning. Wait a minute. That was late. Time elapsed from the end of the previous response in the beginning of the next inter-response time. Improved functioning is determined by measured improvement in observable behaviors to an amount that is meaningful, clinically significant. Type of instability in the data that represents a repeated pattern of data variability across time. Pass. Cyclical variability. Magnitude of change in level between the end of a phase and the beginning of another. Pass. Immediacy of effect. SCRD, where criterion for reinforcement or behavior change is gradually altered over time. Changing criterion design. Quantifiable and observable events that are compared with known facts to form hypothesis. Pass. Description. Evaluates which intervention is more effective. Comparison research questions. Captures all occurrences of behavior of interest during observation. Continuous measurement procedures. Continuous measurement only. Research question that evaluates whether a particular intervention works or the impact of the intervention. Demonstration Demonstration research question. Degree to which an assessment measures what it is supposed to. Validity. Research questions that evaluate the effectiveness of an independent variable at different levels or amounts. Parametric research question. Amount of data from one phase that overlaps or occurs within the range of the data from another phase. Less overlap is representative of a stronger effect. Overlap. Changes in data that result from the novel environmental conditions associated with the onset of data collection. Pass. Adaptation. Type of SCRD, repeated introduction and removal of the independent variable within a participant and target behavior. Withdrawal design. Extent to which the order of the conditions may impact dependent variable. Pass. Estimate of the occurrence of behavior within a specific period of time. Pass. Discontinuous behavior. Rapid alteration of interventions within a participant group that allows for the comparison of the interventions to one another. Pass. Multi-elemental design. SCRD, intermittent data collection at specific points in time to assess whether change in behavior is occurring without continuous monitoring. More flexible and resource-efficient analysis. Multiple probe design. Basis for experimental reasoning used within ABA, which includes prediction, verification, and replication. Pass. Baseline logic. Demonstrated when the predicted change in the dependent variable occurs when the independent variable is manipulated by a researcher. Pass. Basic effect. SCRD with sequential introduction of an intervention across multiple behaviors, settings, and individuals. Compares baseline and intervention phases. Pass. Multiple baseline design. Research question that analyzes two or more independent variables that make up a treatment package. Pass. Component analysis.